Tonight I'm showing you my tablet stand for a bed. This tablet stand was a really fun design project that had very specific requirements. I designed this for a friend of mine who is a quadriplegic but still has some use of her hands. She can touch a screen but can't hold a tablet. This design gives her the ability to use her tablet while sitting upright in bed as well as laying down flat. To start out, I found some scraps of cherry in my shop and cut them down into strips of various lengths. These would become all of the various parts of the stand. The main U-shaped structure that goes over your body needed to be sturdy to prevent racking and twisting. This was made by creating a torsion box along the top with 45-degree supports on either side. These joints were all glued with dowels to make sure they didn't loosen over time. All of the pivoting joints on this stand use T-bolts and jig knobs, which make it easy to tighten and loosen the parts when needed. In order to prevent the T-bolts from spinning when tightened, the wood needs to have a counterbore which goes just the depth of the head. I did this with a Forstner bit on my drill press. The actual tablet holder was designed to be big enough to slip the tablet in and out with the case still on it. I made a 3-sided box with a rabbet along the back edge so the plywood backing could sit recessed into the wood. On the front, I added some replaceable tabs that will hold the tablet in place but can be easily swapped out and resized if she ever upgrades her tablet to a different size. All of the individual pieces were finished with 2 coats of shellac and 1 coat of paste wax. This will make it easier to repair worn areas in the future. Between the coats, I sanded each piece with 320 grit sandpaper, and then after the final layer of paste wax had dried, I buffed each of the pieces to get the final sheen. Now that it's fully dried and cured, let's take it over to my friend's house and test it out. The tablet holder is fully adjustable and has extensions that can be folded out to prevent tipping when viewing the tablet laying down flat. The entire stand is also collapsible and can be folded down flat to be stored conveniently.
I think it works better than I had hoped, and it's going to give me a lot of freedom and independence to do this on my own.
I hope you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some new design ideas for your own projects. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and see you next time.